Hello students, today we are going to discuss the concepts of incentive schemes under your labor cost control third chapter. Now incentive schemes are those schemes where extra bonus will be paid along with your normal rate wages as per time rate and piece rate system. So basically whatever demerits was there or existing under your time rate system and piece rate system have been taken away by introduction of a new type of wage payment scheme called as incentive schemes. Now, under incentive schemes, there are three different incentive schemes for making payment of wages to the laborers who are engaged in the process of production in the factory premises. Now, let us discuss all these incentive schemes one by one. Now, first one among your incentive schemes of making payment of wages is called as HALSI plan. So it was the name of this plan was is called as HALSI plan because it was named after the person who invented it. This plan was invented by a person called as F.A. Halsey. Now, please look at this table or box which they have given the formula for calculating the wages which we have to calculate under the Halsey plan. Now under this Halsey plan the wages will be calculated using this particular formula. So here the total earnings or wages of the workers will be calculated as by using this particular formula. So what is the formula of using this uh, what is the formula for calculating the wages or earnings of which has to be paid to the worker is time taken multiplied into rate per hour. So if you look at this formula, it is similar to your time rate system. So depending upon the time taken is nothing but your actual time taken or actual number of hours worked. So that amount, that hours you have to multiply into rate per hour. So this is the formula which is your which is the formula of your time rate system. Now apart from this, again what happens in your Halsey plan, 50% of your 50% of extra will be paid as the bonus or incentive. So that is why it comes under your incentive scheme. So here we have the formula for calculating the bonus for time saved. Now the what is the formula for bonus? If you look here, they have given bonus will be 50% of time saved into rate per hour. So how we will calculate time saved? Again for time saved there is another formula. Time saved will be your standard time minus the actual time taken. So basically whenever you are having problems related to Halsey plan, what they will have, they you will have standard time given in the question and you will also have actual time, and from standard time if you deduct the actual time taken, that will give you the time saved. For that time saved, again you have to multiply rate per hour, and if you multiply rate per hour you will get an amount, and 50% of it will be paid as an incentive or bonus along with the normal time rate wages. So this is about your Halsey plan. Then again under this incentive scheme plan you have second type called as Rowan's plan. So again, this plan was introduced by a person called as David Rowan. So it is named after this guy. Now again, if you look at the formula for calculating the wages under Rowan's plan, here they are given total earnings or wages of a worker is equal to time taken into rate per hour plus bonus. Now again, if you look here in this scheme also under Rowan's plan or Rowan scheme also, the wages is similar to time rate system, time taken into rate per hour plus bonus. But here, what is different from Halsey? How it is different from Halsey plan is the bonus formula for calculating bonus is slightly different. Here the bonus is equal to time saved divided by standard time into time taken into rate per hour. So using this formula we have to compute bonus, and whatever amount we get as per this formula will be paid along with your time rate wages as per time rate system. So this is your Rowan's plan. Now again another plan which you have under incentive scheme is called as Taylor's differential piece rate system. So under Taylor's differential piece rate system, laborers will be classified into efficient laborer and inefficient laborer, or efficient and inefficient workers. So basically under the system, your wages will be paid under piece rate system. See, Halsey plan and Rowan plans is similar, is based on your time rate system, but when it comes to Taylor, it is based on piece rate system. That is why it is called as Taylor's differential piece rate system. Now why they are calling it as differential piece rate system means, if it is an efficient worker, then again different piece rate will be paid. Then again, if in case of an inefficient worker, different piece rate will be paid to as the wages to the worker. Now here under the system, a standard time for the job will be fixed, and again if a laborer is completing his job within the given time, then he will be considered as efficient worker. So based on the piece rate system, again what will happen, 175% of the piece rate will be paid as wages to efficient workers. In case if a particular labor is not taking more than the standard time fixed for completing a particular job, then again he will be classified as inefficient worker. Then only 83% of the wages of piece rate system will be paid to him. So this is called as Taylor's differential piece rate system. So all this you will get getting having the problems on all these three different incentive schemes. One is called as Halsey plan, another one is Rowan's plan. So Halsey and Rowan plan is based on your time rate system, but third one, your Taylor differential piece rate system is based on your piece rate system. Hope you have understood. Thank you. Bye.